The dead bug is a great core stability exercise that requires minimal lumbar flexion, which is great for some of those low back and SI joint conditions that we're trying to avoid that forward flexion. For the dead bug, I like people to actually start with the abdominal breathing exercise, practice that, and then move into this exercise. It's likely we've already given you that exercise. So for the dead bug, Ian, I want you to go straight up in the air with your arms, thumbs facing above your head. We're going to hinge the hip and bend the knee to 90 degrees, bringing the toes up so they're pointed straight at the ceiling. This is the start of our dead bug. And the goal of the dead bug is to alternate left arm, right leg, right arm into full extension and bring those arms back together. I like to time it with a breath. So you take that big deep breath into the belly. You can exhale a little bit, but I want you to lock the core and then go ahead and extend one side or the other. This cross coordination of arm and leg is super applicable to many of our activities, whether it's cross-country skiing, running, hiking, biking. We're almost always using a cross-coordinated effort between the legs and the arms. And although it doesn't seem like much on the first couple of movements, once we hit about 5, 6, 8, 10, 15, you really start to feel that core. Again, we're keeping putting minimal stress into the lumbar spine, and we should see that lumbar spine flat with the table, and Ian's doing a good job of kind of keeping that spine pressed into the table as he goes through this motion. Good. We can do some fun progressions with the dead bug movement. Ian will demonstrate real quick. We're going to pause here. We're going to do unilateral dead bugs. So I want you to extend just the right arm and right leg. And back together. And the left arm and left leg. Perfect. Now I'm going to grab an elastic band. Aha! And I'm going to have you situate that so you can grab that structure. I want you to kind of pull that structure towards your knees slightly. Keep that engagement. And then just move with the legs now. Left leg. And right leg. And your dead bugs. Definitely one of my favorites. Good. Perfect.